Hey, Will to Live fam. For the past 5 years or so, I have relied extensively on my Skottle to do my food prep when I'm camping. I don't have an issue with my Skottle. Skottle works great, but I do normally have to carry with me an additional burner to cook anything that I'm not gonna put on the Skottle. Now all the rage is Blackstone. You can go to your local Walmart. They have a complete aisle dedicated to Blackstone. The griddle cooktops are everywhere. Everybody swears by them. And they have now got into the overlanding, off-roading, and camping arena with their adventure line. So let's check out this adventure line. This is gonna be the 14-inch griddle with an additional burner. So let's take a look at it. All right, just to give you an idea of the scale, the size of it, I'll put it in the back of my 4Runner next to a Dometic fridge. And they can be stored either oriented like this or straight down. And it is a little on the heavy side, but it has this nice cover and these good T-latches here. All right, it's locked in place. I'll give you a good look here. And again, this is their adventure ready. This is the model 2250 Blackstone. Again, we have the griddle and then we have the additional burner. In order to get to all the like for your propane hookup and everything, you're gonna have to remove the griddle. So real quick, I'm gonna show you how to do that. You're gonna lift up and you will see this little T-handle underneath here. And what we're gonna do is you push in, okay, and that releases it. And you twist, which there's a little latch right here, but when you push that in and take the pressure off of it, if you have it turned up, it's gonna swing in. It is now ready to remove. All right. And that is what you're unlocking that with. So, all right, we're gonna, it's our propane valve here, and we are gonna reinstall this. Now, see these two edges here are gonna slot into those. Wasn't able to show this, but also before you get to this point, they do recommend unscrewing the feet about a ½ inch before you cook with, I would assume that's just to help it ventilate a little bit better. All right, that's latch back. Propane valve will connect here. Now, one thing to be aware of, it's kind of like the hoods on an old pickup. You want to make sure you start your hinge first, because you could very easily crease the lid. All right, so right here, that is our grease. All right, and as you can see, that will clip over the edge. All right, and then to turn your gas on, boom. There we go. All right, as you can see, super easy to use. The setup is a little cumbersome the first couple of times, trying to get that little pin to release. Also, if you gotta let this stuff cool off, as well. So after you've, gotten your food cooked, and even if you're just testing it out, you want to refrain from immediately trying to set it back, setting it back up, because this stuff's all going to be very warm to the touch for a little bit. But anyway, clean up, super easy, and it just folds back up, and you can take it to a backyard cookout, tailgating, camping, off-road trips, whatever. Put it in an RV. Take it in an RV. It'd just be a little bit, takes up less space than a great big one. They've got some different sizes of these, and you can just see which one fits your needs the best. But again, this is the model 2250 14-inch camp griddle with a side burner, and I'm stoked. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Thank you so much.